Throw it away. In London City, where I did dwell, a butcher boy I loved right well. He courted me my life away, but now with me he will not stay. I wish, babe, I wish I was a maid again, a maid again. I never will be till cherries grow on an ivy tree. I wish my baby was born and smiling on his daddy's knee, and me, poor girl, to be dead and gone, with the long green grass growing over me. She went upstairs to go to bed, and calling to her mother said, give me a chair till I sit down, and a pen and ink till I write down. At every word she dropped a tear, at every line cried a Willie dear. Oh, what a foolish girl was I to be led astray by the butcher boy. He went upstairs and the door he broke. He found her hanging from a rope. He took his knife and cut her down, and in her pocket these words he found. Oh, make my grave large, wide and deep, put a marble stone at my head and feet, and in the middle a turtle dove, that the world may know that I died for